So, what will the condition of the natural turf, sir?
I'm happy that you've asked this question. If you look all over the world, not just in India, large stadiums, across the world, whether it's a football stadium or cricket stadium, they are always used in terms of having large gatherings and even concerts. Technologies are available today in the market where the entire natural turf is actually covered by a certain platform, and that platform is there which will ensure that people don't stamp on the natural turf and destroy the grass. So these are platforms that are put there, very strong, very firm. These are, as I said, international level technology which is used all over the world. That will be used again in Jain Stadium to ensure that the natural turf is protected. And obviously the entire responsibility will be given to the organizers to ensure that particular platform is seen, and we will obviously double check the technology, and only after our satisfaction is there by the department that we will allow it. But we have seen this technology being implemented throughout the world, and therefore rest assured there will be no damage to the natural turf. Whatever little spots that will be affected because the platform will be put in place, those will be recovered within 7 days, and that's the normal procedure that's followed throughout the world. Reason why we're doing this is because obviously the investments that we have made in these kind of infrastructures, we would like to see that they are used for multiple purposes, and therefore we can raise the revenue, and overall we can see the utility of the space and the investments being made, and therefore we have agreed to this based on the condition that the technology of putting platforms to protect the natural turf will be implemented by the organizing committee.